We're here at I29 Dragway in Pacific Junction, Iowa for Beater Bomb's Heads Up No Prep event happening this weekend, May 4th, 2024. Now it's Friday night. We got a little small tire shootout that we're gonna check out right now. Only 8 cars in it, so it should go by pretty quick, but yeah, let's go check out that action.
Hey guys, Jason Horde here. We're from St. Louis, Missouri area. Got a 69 twin turbo Hemi Camaro. We're at Beater Bomb's race at I29. Hoping to win a little cash. She's putting out about 2,500 horsepower this weekend.
Hi guys, Brian Mitchell, Firebird, back again. We're at I29, Joey Heichel's Heads Up No Prep. We like to come up here all the time, every time he has one of these races. Well ran, pays out cash, lots of good money to be had. So we're up here Friday night, doing a little 8-car shootout, and then tomorrow we're running for some big money.
Hey, my name's Nick Rowland, Kansas City, Kansas, a few hours away from here. I'm here for Beater Bomb's race, and we're about to do a shootout. And I got Joey first pair, so we're gonna see how that goes down. My S10, Pro Charge small block. There's not many small blocks left. They're all LS or big block. And hoping we're gonna run strong first round. We'll see what happens.
In the left lane, Jordan Sharp in the right lane, moving on to the next round. Moving on. Okay guys, here we go. Beater Bomb pulling up to the line right now, and Nick Rowland with that S10 Pro Charge truck in the left lane. This is the third pairing of the first round. Let's see who's moving on. Beater Bomb moving on to the next round. All right, guys, the Firebird pulling up right now. Firebird moving on.
Okay, I'll take the last one again. Blue is left. I got one. Green is right. Yeah, I got one.
Me and you, pal.
You? All right.
Me and you. Blue's left.
Blue is left, right? Yep.
Yep. All right, 9:30, you guys good? That's a half an hour, right?
Yeah,
25 minutes.
Okay, you good?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to it,
Oh
man.
my God.
We've never done this.
I don't
no,
think we ever
no,
have.
yes, we have. It's been 15 years. You came to Des Moines.
Oh yeah, that's a funny story. Because you were at some Mustang dyno day, you're getting a bunch of Mustangs getting tuned.
Yeah.
I was tuning a bunch of GM products across town in Iowa, and they were like, "Hey man, let's go meet up with this Ford group. Let's go race them all."
I think it was just us.
You were racing King Ding, or you were racing the high horsepower for the iTune that day.
Mm-hmm.
I brought my stock bottom end motor up in that car,
Yep.
and he's racing this guy, and I'm just like back there in the middle lane, kind of going, "Hey, I'll play." And I'm like, "Woo!" I'm like, "Oh, that's pretty fun." Like, we're getting with them, and then we went and dig raced.
Yeah.
We had a good time.
I think we were the only one racing.
Yeah, we were the ones that dig raced.
Yeah, that was a
everybody
blast.
everybody else was roll racing.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
Many renditions ago for both cars.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
Is it the same car?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It is the same car. Well, it's the same VIN. It's the same VIN.
Okay.
But the shell is the same. It just everything got cut up.
You might have more of the original parts than I do.
Probably.
I've had to change a lot of parts.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, these puppies they've been painted like 2 or 3 times. We try to keep them pretty, but
Might have been replaced 3 times.
oof. On things I don't want to do. I'm looking forward to it, dude.
All right, we'll see
It'll
you.
be a good one. Hey guys, Jordan Sharp here out of Des Moines, Iowa. Out here for Joey Heichel's. We're the Beater Bombs small tire race. Heads up, no prep. We just won round 1. Now we race Ryan Mitchell, second round. It's gonna be fun. Car's a 2003 Mustang Cobra. Started as a Cobra. Now it's a big block Chevy, twin 94s with a Power Glide. New combo this year. We've made 3 hits on it so far. It's going pretty well. Hope it gets even better.
Hey guys, my name is Joey Heichel. I drive the Beater Bomb. Probably seen me around a few times, but we're here at the Friday night of the event that I put on at my local racetrack, I29 Dragway. And we're doing a little small shootout. You know, small tires, 8 cars, $200 buy-in, and we're on to round 2.
All right, we're going into second round of small tire. We got Jason Horde going up against Beater Bomb and Ryan Mitchell going up against Jordan the Cobra. 2 really good races, but I have a feeling we're going to see Beater Bomb and Ryan Mitchell in the final. Place your bets.
Round 2, pair 2 of the semifinals here of this small tire shootout class on Friday night. We got Jordan Sharp in the left lane, Ryan Mitchell in the right lane. We're predicting Ryan Mitchell and Beater Bomb ends up going off into the finals here, but let's find out right now. Ryan Mitchell, Beater Bomb finals.
Well, in the finals, hometown track, I mean, kind of be expected, right? But still out there flooring it somewhat, I guess. But we're going up against Ryan Mitchell. You guys know him, and he's pretty fast. Fortunately, you know, me and Ryan go back and forth, but last time we raced, I did get him at his home track. So maybe he's gonna get me here. We haven't raced with the Pro Charger against him yet, so we'll see how it does.
All right, we're going in the finals, and we called it. Beater Bomb versus Ryan Mitchell. Just changed the push rod, which is pretty quick work for him, about 20 minutes. They just fired it up, but I think they're taking it back apart. So we'll see what happens, but I hear Ryan's got lane choice, and the left lane has not been nice to people, but it is Joey's home track. So I can't call it. I don't know. We're gonna see how it goes.
Guys, small tire shootout finals. Beater Bomb left lane, Ryan Mitchell with Firebird in the right lane. Let's see who's going to win the small tire shootout cash money. Wow, looked like it got real sketchy up top there. Beater Bomb pulling off the win though.
Hey guys, it's me again. You kind of see me a lot, and today we got the W. Small tire shootout, Friday night. 29s are smaller, blah, blah, blah. We were able to get Ryan in the finals, luckily. We both made killer passes, honestly, and from the footage one of these other guys showed me, it was about a car in front, and overall it was a good night. We got some cash money, and see you tomorrow, but don't tell them.